Hello class, my name is Jeffrey Charles and my video is going to be about dengue hemorrhage fever, dengue or DHF for short. Dengue hemorrhage fever is a viral infection spread by mosquitoes. It is widespread in tropical and subtropical regions such as Africa, Mexico, the Caribbean, Brazil, places like that. And according to NLM.gov, it is not very common in the United States. Most infections in the United States are brought from other countries. Tourists, they would do this to us. Um, Dengue is spread by a type of infected mosquito called Aedes aegypti mosquito. An infected human is bitten by the mosquito, then the infected mosquito bites another human, and it's a cycle. It just continues. It can be fatal if unrecognized and not properly treated in a timely manner. DHF is caused by infection with the same virus that causes dengue fever. Dengue hemorrhage fever, DHF for short, is characterized by a fever that lasts from 2 to 7 days, with general signs and symptoms consistent with dengue fever. When the fever declines, warning signs may develop. And I bet you're wondering, hey, how does this connect with anatomy and physiology? Well, let me tell you. Anatomy is the study of structures and physiology is the study of functions. And right now, we're about to get into some structures and some functions. The beginning of the 24 to 48 hour period of this fever, is when the smallest blood vessels, which are the capillaries, becomes excessively permeable, allowing fluid component to escape from the blood vessels to the peritoneum and pleural cavities. This may lead to failure of the circulatory system and shock, and possibly death without prompt. In addition, the patient with DHF has a low platelet count and hemorrhage manifestation, tendency to bruise easily or have other types of skin hemorrhage, bleeding, nose or gums, and possibly internal bleeding. And also in my anatomy and physiology class, I learned that with infection comes a high lymphocyte and monocyte count. They're just elevated. And some common symptoms to this infection is a high temperature with a 41 degrees Celsius or a 105.8 degrees Fahrenheit, if you do Fahrenheit. And headaches, pain behind the eyes, bone, muscle, and joint pain. This infection comes with a lot of pain. And there are no current treatment or cures to this fever, but within 1 to 2 weeks it should clear up. And with this fever you will get dehydrated, so it's important to drink plenty of fluids and rest is really important. And this is really cool because I found this on YouTube. Scientists have found a way to control dengue carrying mosquitoes. They have produced in the lab a strain of mosquitoes that have a specific DNA that when they mate with females, the mosquitoes' offspring cannot survive. So the male mosquitoes are released into the environment. They will seek out or go after the female, and they won't be any offspring. So and they did all this in a lab. It's in UK. I believe it's called Oxitec, Oxitec. Is what I saw on YouTube, and I thought it was really cool. And also to prevent getting bitten by mosquitoes, it's just general aware. Cover yourself. Have lots of mosquito repellent and try not to travel, because travelers, do hurt us. You saw my topic. Anyway, I got all my information on cdc.gov and lm.gov and YouTube, and I just really hope that you guys were informed by my videos. Alright? Thank you. And dengue is Dengue.